In the heart of the world we gather near, bringing stories and dreams both far and dear. From the mountains high to the oceans wide, we celebrate our heritage with pride. We are the queens of heritage, shining bright, with cultures rich and hearts so light. Together we stand hand in hand, in the pageant of heritage we take a stand. Every step on the stage a tale to tell. In our beauty and grace our cultures dwell. From the ancient past to the future's light, we honor our roots with all our might. United we are, diverse and free, in the spirit of beauty, our unity. With every crawl and every smile, we make the world a bit more worthwhile. We are the queens of heritage, shining bright, with cultures rich and hearts so light. Together we stand hand in hand, in the pageant of heritage we take a stand. So here's to the queens from lands afar. In the heritage of beauty we all are stars. With love and pride we show the way, in the heritage pageants forever will stay. We are the queens of heritage, shining bright, with cultures rich and hearts so light. Together we stand hand in hand, in the pageant of heritage we take a stand. So here's to the queens from lands afar. In the heritage of beauty we all are stars. With love and pride we show the way, in the heritage pageants forever will stay.